Hello friends, here is a Leetcode question, invalid tweet. So we have a table tweet and the table has tweet ID and content. So here is the problem statement. Write a solution to find the ID of the invalid tweet. The tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15. Okay, so greater than 15 should be, so I think this is the greater than 15, so this should be the output. So let's try. Select what we need to do. Select tweet ID. We need to find the tweet ID from the table name tweet. Select tweet ID from tweet where so we need to use the length function. Length of the content. Length of the content should be let me use this function. Length, what is the length? We should put here as content greater than 15. Okay, so let's try. So here is the correct answer. So we used select tweet ID from tweet table where length function. In between we need to use the content greater than 15. Okay, so this is expected. Thank you.